God bless America.
The United States and Madeira Island have always had a connection. Many Madeiran families immigrated to the U.S. during the 1950s and 60s, some seeking refuge from the colonial wars in Africa, and others seeking better life opportunities for themselves and their loved ones. Now, 60 years later, in a world that is more global than ever, many Americans are seeking more peaceful and simple environments, and Madeira is at the top of their list. However, this relationship goes back much farther in history, when Madeira was ever present, especially in the lives of the American founding fathers.
More wine? Is it too much to ask for us to actually just do something productive today?
Relax, Thomas. A little bit wine never interrupt our meetings.
It ain't just a little bit of wine, is it? We've been having these meetings for weeks and we still are nowhere near a final draft.
Thomas, these things take time. You write very serious things, but take it easy, my man.
Yeah, man, chill. Nothing bad really happened if you keep review this document. We have been working a lot.
What are you guys talking about here? We're establishing a new country, a new democracy in the new world. We have lives depending on us. Open your eyes.
I have my eyes open. I have in my hand a 1750 Bual. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Where are you getting all this Madeira from anyway?
In Madeira, rapaz. I have a small cousin who sent me 5 or 6 bottles.
Do you have some British tea by any chance?
Tea doesn't write Declaration of Independence, Ben.
The Tea Act of 1773 was a law passed by the British Parliament that granted the East India Company a monopoly on the sale of tea in the colonies. Many colonists saw the Tea Act as an attempt by the British government to exert more control over the colonies and to impose taxes on the colonists without their consent. Madeira wine, on the other hand, was not subject to the British boycott, making it one of the few types of alcohol that was not affected.
So, tell me more about this declaration.
Então, pá, não tens prestado atenção nenhuma nos últimos dias?
Está para aí calado, depois de tanto vinho, te parece que lembras de alguma coisa sigiloso.
Okay, well, hold up here. Can someone please tell me what's going on? You guys now speak Portuguese?
Little did Thomas know that George was actually a Portuguese spy.
We've been practicing our Portuguese, Thomas. We are men of culture, you see.
Sim. Quanto mais vinho bebes, mais português ficas, não?
Está para aí calado, pá. Fogo! Listen, Thomas, too much papers, too much work. We need some bual, we need some wine.
You know what? I don't understand this fixation that you have over this wine. To be honest, I think something smells fishy.
It's just wine, Thomas. Nothing smells here like fish, okay?
John Dunlap was a printer and publisher who played a significant role in the Declaration of Independence. He worked quickly and efficiently, and on the evening of July 4th, he had already printed 200 copies of the document. These copies, known as the Dunlap Broadside, were distributed to the colonies and were used to spread the news of the Declaration and its message to the people. He worked tirelessly to ensure that the document was distributed widely and that its message was heard by as many people as possible. His efforts were instrumental in its success.
God damn! This is the 155th print of this document. Please tell me this is the final draft.
Why you are so angry, John? Sit down and enjoy with us a glass of wine.
George, please, can we take this a little bit more seriously?
Fine. Let me see this thing here. I don't like this phone. We have to change something more bold. Just like this ball.
Give me this document. This represents the beginning of a new era, right? A time where the difference of opinion is not the difference of principle, where life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness is the right of every man. A time... What is this?
Madeira wine has a long and storied history, and it has played a significant role in the history of the United States. It was often served at important events and celebrations, and it was also used as a trading commodity. Madeira wine played a role in the American Revolution as well. It was one of the few types of alcohol that was not subject to British boycott, and as a result, it became even more popular among the colonists. George Washington and other founding fathers were known to be fans of Madeira wine, and it is said that the Madeira wine played a part in the signing of the Declaration of Independence.
Dunlop, what is this doing here?
We had to open up advertising spaces because of paper and ink bills.
Advertising spaces?
Yeah.
Who are these people? The greatest explorers in the world hit the road Madeira. Who are these people?
Actually, I know them. They are fantastic. They are the best.
Oh, I don't care if they're the best. Why is this happening to me? The most important document of our lives, and we've got advertising written on the top here. What about our treasury? Aren't we supposed to be like filthy rich?
Little did poor Thomas know that George was bribing John with Madeira wine.
It wasn't actually about the money. I had a tight deadline. I was pressed back in the factory, and we thought to do it this way.
Ugh, God damn. Okay, you know what? Let's have a look at this. Yeah. These guys, it actually doesn't look too bad. It says here, look here, attention, attention, the greatest explorers in the world are coming to the Americas. Hit the road Madeira, the world-famous expedition company, known for their findings in the Micronesian islands in the Atlantic. In this year of 1776, Jeff de Gouveia and a company of world-famous explorers will offer their services to whoever wants to embark in the new odyssey of finding the truth about the new world. Join us as we embark on this exciting adventure and see the world like never before. Boys, what do we think?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
God damn.
Yes.
The beauty of nature is the most powerful muse that any artist can have.
Hey guys, ready? Shall we go and see the view? Let's go.
Poets translate it into words. Painters praise it into figures. Musicians turn it into songs. Philosophers find meaning in it. Performers evoke emotion with it. And explorers find purpose in it. Much like America's founding fathers, Madeira and its people have had powerful ambitions. Ambitions of a better world. A more fair, benevolent, and free world. The similarities might seem obscure, and the influence of Madeira on the founding of America might have been mere coincidence, but what goes around always comes around.
You know what, George? I think we actually need to buy some land.
I think I can help you with that.
Oh, cheers to that, my
Cheers.
friend.